All right, I got a 2012 Yaris here. I'm gonna show you guys how to replace your tag light bulb, also your tail light, brake light bulb, turn signal light, reverse light. So first thing you do is pop the trunk open. So you have this plastic clip right here. Just grab you a flathead. This is already off, so just pry it off from there, and then this thing will come down. Unplug this connector right here, then twist it counterclockwise, and this is going to be your brake light bulb. This is what it looks like. Sometimes it gets stuck in there, so just kind of wiggle it back and forth until it comes off. All right, so just pop the new one in there, and you just have to kind of find where it sits properly, like that. Lock it in place, put your connector back on. This is going to be your turn signal light bulb. All you do is you twist it counterclockwise, and this is the bulb right here. Same thing, you just pull it out, put the new one in, lock it in place. This one is going to be the reverse light bulb. This one's a little bit smaller, so you just pull it out and then slide the new one in. And then to lock it in place, you just twist it. We're gonna get to the tag light bulb right here. So you have these two clips right here. All you do is you pry it down with a flathead. All right, so you go over here. This is gonna be the driver's side, and that's the passenger side. All right, so what you can do is you're gonna twist it counterclockwise until it pops out, and then you just remove the light bulb. These things can get stuck. All right, so I use both of my hands to take this light bulb out. If you're having trouble removing it, you can gently pry it with a flathead on the side like that, but you gotta be careful not to break it. You don't want to cut your fingers. This is the tag light bulb right here. All right, so you just pop the new one in there, line it up, lock it in place, put your plastic clips back on. And that is it. That is how you replace your license plate light bulb, your brake light, turn signal light, and reverse light. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, guys. Also, I'll have the link down in the description for all the light bulb that I used here. And again, thank you guys for watching.